A bat or a key?
Where are you, Zach?
I don't know.
Where are you, Zach?
No police car. It's a building. It's the building of a hotel.
What are you doing? Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
You got the key?
Yeah.
Where are you, Zach?
On top of a shelter.
Oh, you're. Let me say hello to you, alright, before you leave. I just want to wish you well.
I don't want to burn to death.
Zach,
I come back outside.
talk to me, buddy. Look at you. Showing off your key.
Look behind you then.
I'm really scared.
Don't have some wine, dude.
Alright, good luck.
Okay.
It's an Infernado.
Hello, dude. I like your wings.
Oh, man. Okay, the building's on fire.
Yeah.
Lots of things are on fire. I nearly died.
Yeah. You cooking.
Well, no.
You cooking for death.
Cooking to death, not for death.
You cooking to death.
I just walked into a tornado.
That dumb.
Man, this is a really violent tornado.
I haven't died yet. I haven't died yet, guys. Things burning. The hotel gone. Very broken. And my work broken. Good. Acid rain, I think.
Acid rain next.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Okay.
Oh, you two touch a block.
No.
Why? Just stand in the hotel. Okay.
You know how it says take cover to survive? Incoming acid rain? That's a lie. Because the best way to survive is to just not touch anything. Don't touch objects. Don't get hit by anything.
Go inside a building. Take shelter.
No.
Or you
Because
die
then
outside.
No, I won't.
Touch that lava block. Someone died.
Pretty easy to survive. You just stay away from bits. Don't touch green bits. Don't stay in a building with green bits.
Can run over little green bit?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Easy. Yay.
Yay. Goodbye, guys.